Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly Sips by Tea subscription unboxing. This is curated just for me, so your teas would be a little bit different. It's all based out of a profile you fill out when you join. So I always get a mix of loose leaf and prepackaged tea. So for the loose leaf tea, they do give you these little satchels to fill up. All right, let's take a look. There should be 4 of these. We have Sport Tea, the ultimate daily beverage. Has ginseng, vitamin C, and electrolytes in it. I think I did have this, but a long time ago. And it has your steeping instructions on the back and what's inside. So that's the first one. Also have one from David's Tea. This is Palma Grateful. That's cute. And it's a white tea. Looks like it has apple, pineapple, hibiscus, and pomegranate. That one sounds really good. And there's some stevia extract in it too. Excited for that. Then we have one from Davidson's Tea, Bing Cherry with Almond. It does say honey as well. I want to see if it has toasted almonds in it. Okay. And chamomile as well. That one's caffeine free. And lastly, I have the loose leaf tea, Cup and Kettle. This has peppermint, cinnamon, ooh, licorice. I love licorice. And vanilla. Licorice tea is like hands down my favorite, and I really like chamomile too. So I'm gonna give this one a try. And then I'll show you my card again. It'll tell you steeping instructions, their caffeine level, and then if there's any promo codes for the websites listed, it'll be on there as well. So that's what I have for you today. If you guys are interested in joining, I will put a link below, and I think I have a promo code too. All that will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.